Hi friends, do you know what this is? This is something very common, and we find them around our household very often. But we just throw it here and there, and in turn, the garbage just accumulates, and in turn, that destroys our environment. So today, I thought something I should make to use these waste items into something useful, like a pen stand. So this is a tin can, and I'll make this into a pen stand, and this is the body of my pen stand. And to decorate it, I have used use and throw pens, which we really just throw it here and there. In turn, that destroys our environment. So let's not do that and try to make something useful out of it. So let's reuse these items, okay, for a change. Now without much further ado, let's begin. And this is a glue gun. You have seen it before. Wait, yes, the power is on now, and we have to wait for some time to make this glue stick heated up and melted, so that we get the liquefied glue in this nozzle, coming out of this nozzle, and then we can make the pen stand. You can see I am using the glue all across its body in a linear way, and then I'll just paste it. Straight. Okay, this is not a straight line, so I'll paste it like this, and now yeah, it's done. Yeah. And this may take some extra glue, but it will be worth it once it's completed. So you have to strongly paste each one of the pens to its respective positions, like that. So one is done. Now I'll take another one and do the same. So let's see after pasting it into this can. So here the second pen is also pasted. So I'll just continue doing it until I cover whole of this can, and then our pen stand will be almost as good as ready. So see you after making the whole of it. As you can see, it's almost done, right? Almost done, looking good. So let's finish this part. So it's completed. Now you can see, looks really nice. Well, so this is an idea which I shared with you all. I hope you yourself will try this at home, and in our personal level we can try to reduce the wastage that keeps accumulating day by day and threatens to destroy the humankind and also the environment. So this is it. I hope you like it, and for more videos like this, please give it a thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. This gives me inspiration to upload more videos like this. Signing off.